Welcome to careerandtricks.com, and our today tutorial is about how to backup of how to make backup of any file, and also we will see how to recover our data. Step why we need backup. First of all, we will see how why we need backup. What is the need of this? Sometimes we have some important data in our system, and we do not want to lose it. At any condition, so we need to take backup of it. Steps to take backup. Step 1. Make one directory named data, or as per you required. I'm here using data, so you can use which you want it. I'm going to make a one directory called data in root. Now I have a one data already exists in my system, so I am going to remove with rm command. Now it's removed. Now I will make one data. We have made directory called data. You can use as per you required. You can use /abc/cda or whatever you name. Now copy your every data. Now copy your every data of any file in our new directory called data. Suppose we want to take backup of /etc or /mnd. Then run command /etc/**. Here asterisk sign is used for all data. Like if you have directory et/etc/abc/rohit and you want to copy every data, every bit of data, then you can use asterisk. Here asterisk sign indicates that we are copying every data. Now our copying is start, and yes, it's done. Now let's see what will be happen. Just a minute, it's having some problem. Now we are going to step 3. What is our step 3? Let's see. After copying, we have to take backup of the file data. We can take the backup of each /etc or /mnd, but it is not preferred because we can lose any data. Because if you want to not lose any data, then copy every data from one directory to one temporary directory, and then you can take backup of the temporary directory as we make here directory data. Here is a command. We will use tar space -cvf space backup.tar is a backup command if you want to backup it. In our next tutorial I will take the tutorial on how to compress this backup file or any file you want to compress. It means that we are making our backup with name backup, and cvf is used to make backup. Let's see how it works. tar -cvf space backup dot tar and /data. Your data is the directory where our old /etc data is there. Our backup is ready, so you can remove your temporary directory called data. It will not affect your present and original data in /etc. Now we will see how to recover our data. In previous step we have made our backup, but in this step I will tell you, if you have a backup file, you can go in any other Linux system and you can recover your data. Let's see how. Here is a mistake I have to write. We saw how to make data backup word is missing, sorry. Step 1. Here I am writing because it will be helpful to you. If you will forget anything, then you can use these steps. I use tar space -xvf space backup.tar. Here xvf is used to recover, but in previous step we have used cvf, which is used for the making of backup. Now you have recovered your data successfully. Now we will see how to change position of data directory. Here the tar space -xvf space backup.tar space hyphen capital C, because Linux is a case sensitive, so you don't have to change it. So our data is recovered and we have changed also position. Let's see it is on desktop or not. As we saw, we have all data on our system. We did this with desktop with backup file, so you can take your backup file and you can go anywhere in Word and you can recover your data. There's no matter you are here or anywhere else. Congratulations, you learned today how to make backup and recover backup. Stay tuned for more updates. Just subscribe my channel for latest and new tutorials about RHCE.